And this morning in Dallas, we are sitting at a single 1 degree. It could get even colder before the sun comes up. And this weather system is not over just yet. More snow is anticipated tonight, with millions of people crossing their fingers and hoping that power comes back on.
This part of the United States isn't used to freezing. The winter storm has created chaos. Electricity grids have failed, leaving millions of people without power in dangerously cold temperatures.
Some desperate families using outdoor grills inside and running cars in garages to stay warm. With temperatures below freezing, an hour-long wait just to get into this grocery store, and at this market, customers waited in the dark. In Texas, it's a full-on humanitarian crisis. Senator Ted Cruz is facing backlash after an alleged fellow passenger tweeted out this photo, appearing to show Cruz on a flight to Cancun.
As power is restored, the next critical issue is water. Dozens of Texas cities seeing the taps run dry due to bursting pipes.
A family of 4 died in a house fire near Houston while using their fireplace to keep warm.
To Texas, where millions are stuck without power, facing record lows. Rolling blackouts issued to save the state's power grid from crashing.
These are power outages at a huge, unprecedented scale.
Hospitals have been overwhelmed by hundreds of people suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning, and hundreds of thousands have been advised to boil water after treatment plants went down.
Impossible driving conditions causing hundreds of accidents.
More than 620,000 waking up without power in Texas this morning. And some 7 million people under orders to boil their water before using it. Pipes freezing, bursting all over that great state.
There's more dangerous weather on the way this morning.
This morning, the humanitarian crisis in Texas is accelerating. Millions still without power or water.
What is going on right now is completely unacceptable.
The city of Houston, the so-called energy capital of the world, brought to its knees. Hundreds lining up for much-needed supplies as officials here tell residents with power to boil water. Frozen water pipes bursting, destroying homes, some causing ceilings to collapse. Hospitals around the state pushed to their brink, relying on generators and water trucks. In Austin, a facility with 300 patients reporting it's losing heat. Even transporting patients becoming an obstacle. Officials say this week there have been more customers in Texas without power than there were during Hurricane Harvey. They say high demand and overloaded utilities led to the outages.
The power to a number of homes here in Texas was restored overnight, but still so many people remain in the dark. And between the electric issues and the water, guys, this is far from over for so many people here in Texas.
We're working 24 hours a day ever since Sunday night to get power restored to Texans. But that's not enough, obviously. We've got to keep that moving down as fast as we can because our only priority right now is getting power to the folks in Texas.